I like trains.
Hey guys, we are still here at Newcastle. There's a second Q217 sitting right here, and right around this bend we've got a very special train. This is CSX GE 111, a loaded grain train. This is G124's new ID, and trailing second is something very, very, very special. It does have a BNSF leader as well. This is a loaded grain train heading from Sierra, Illinois to Brunswick, Maryland. Got an H2 ES44 DC in the lead. And trailing second is pretty special. So, there we go. Is he going to turn on his high beams?
No. He's going to stop right here.
Okay. That's definitely BNSF engine. So this is it. Oh, is he going to stop right in front? He's probably going to honk, right? Check that out. A BNSF Warbonnet. Can't really get great lighting, unfortunately. That is unfortunate, but that is a Warbonnet right here. It's gonna probably sit here until it gets a new crew. But very, very, very cool. BNSF Warbonnet sitting right here. Alright guys, I've moved locations. So, I have no idea. I think that empty auto train, or that manifest was Q215. This is confirmed to actually be Q217. 794 leading and some tier 4 diva behind it. But yeah, here is G111. I'm not sure if we're going to film it pulling out. Probably not. 7741 with graffiti on it. And there is the BNSF Warbonnet 787 and grain loads. And then this right here actually is CSX W001 geometry train with 5403 leading. And right down there is actually a Southern Pacific coach. Pretty uncommon. Can't see much of it, but I will put it in this video at some point. Lots of action here. 3 trains. 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's crazy. I'm not sure if I probably will not stay for the back DPU on G111. You guys will see. This might actually be the end of the video. But very, very, very cool to see right there. BNSF Warbonnet. Now, technically, it's a fake bonnet because it says BNSF on the side. If that said Santa Fe on the side, then that's an actual Warbonnet, and that is extremely rare. But still rare nonetheless to see at least a BNSF Warbonnet in the coverage area. So very cool. G111, Q217, W001. So yeah, I think I'm going to end this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video was cut short and you didn't really see the whole train, but that's okay. Got to see the fake bonnet on my birthday, which is great. January 30th is just after midnight. And here from the Newcastle yard in Newcastle, Pennsylvania, this is the Old Man Guy signing off. Everyone watching this video, have a great rest of your day.